Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be showing you all how to make ginger ale from scratch. I'm actually going to use raw sugar. You can use regular sugar, honey, agave nectar, or no sweetener at all. This is not something we drink all the time, so I actually don't feel bad about making it. But yeah, so we're going to make ginger ale from scratch. The ingredients you'll need, about a cup of ginger. So I just washed this and I'm gonna actually peel it and then I'm gonna chop it up. I have some lime for after it's done. I'm gonna squeeze those. I have some club soda and I have some cane sugar. You can use regular sugar or you can use honey, agave nectar, or you really don't need anything if it's your preference. All right. So we're gonna actually use the sugar, a cup of that, and a cup of water to make the syrup. And we're gonna mix it all together. So for the ginger portion, we already peeled it and chopped it. So we have 1 cup of ginger to 2 cups of water. All right, once that boils, we're gonna let it simmer for 5 minutes. And then we're gonna take it off the heat for 20 minutes and let it sit. To make the syrup, we have 1 cup of water and we have 1 cup of sugar. And again, that's going to make your syrup. I use the cane sugar, so this is how it looks. And just let you know, it says syrup, so it's not going to be like pancake syrup. It's just the name of the mixture that it's making. Okay, that's why it's brown. So the cane sugar and water, and we're going to set that to the side until everything else is done. So once we drain our ginger, we now have the water from the ginger. We're going to put half a cup. Actually, we're going to put a lemon wedge in here first. A half a cup of the ginger water. You're going to put in half a cup of the club soda. And you're going to put in a 1/3 cup of the syrup, which is the sugar and water. And I just did some lime, so we're going to pour that in there as well. So I'm going to refrigerate that. And then that's our homemade ginger ale.